Discover the epitome of precision with our top-rated digital multimeter, a beacon of versatility in the realm of electronic testing. This cutting-edge device seamlessly transitions between functions, from voltage and current measurement to resistance testing, making it a powerhouse for both professionals and hobbyists. Its high-intensity voltage detection capabilities guarantee accurate readings, ensuring the utmost safety in your electrical endeavors. The non-contact feature elevates user safety by allowing measurements without physical contact, preventing potential shocks. Embrace a tool that transcends boundaries, finding applications in diverse fields, from automotive diagnostics to household repairs. Join us on our journey of exploration and innovation. Comment below with your experiences, like if you resonate with precision, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews. Let's build a community dedicated to excellence in electronics. Together, let's elevate our understanding and mastery of cutting-edge tools. Number 4 in our top today is the Klein Tools Digital Multimeters. The Klein Tools Digital Multimeter is a powerhouse of precision and reliability, seamlessly blending versatility with cutting-edge features for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This multimeter measures up to 600 V AC/DC, 10 ADC current, and 2 MOMs resistance, ensuring it's well-equipped for a wide range of electronic testing needs. The MM300 multimeter boasts visual and audible indicators for continuity testing, providing a comprehensive solution for assessing circuit integrity. The standout feature of the NCVT1P is its non-contact voltage tester with a bright LED that indicates operational status, turning red and emitting beeps upon voltage detection in the 50 to 1000 VC range. The high-intensity voltage detection ensures accuracy and safety in electrical work. Additionally, the reliable receptacle tester, Klein's RT105, identifies wiring configurations, indicates correct wiring, and pinpoints common faults such as open ground, open hot, open neutral, and hot reverse ground. Compact yet robust, this digital multimeter includes test leads for the MM300 and batteries for the NCVT1P and MM300, ensuring a seamless user experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Klein Tools 69149P digital multimeter stands as a testament to precision, safety, and comprehensive fault detection. Elevate your electronic testing with this indispensable tool. Number 3 in our top today is the AstroAI Digital Multimeter. The AstroAI Multimeter Tester, TRMS 4000, is a technological marvel that elevates the realm of electrical testing with its wide applications, thoughtful design, and enhanced safety features. This versatile tool accurately measures AC/DC voltage up to 600 V, current up to 10 A, and resistance up to 40 IMO, making it indispensable for a myriad of applications, from household repairs to automotive diagnostics. A standout feature is the non-contact voltage testing with sound and light alarms, ensuring safety by detecting AC voltage without the need for test leads. The NCV function adds an extra layer of security with the red indicator light and quick beep signaling a strong AC signal. The multimeter's design incorporates convenient features like data hold, max, auto shutoff, low battery indicator, and a continuity buzzer for efficient troubleshooting. The thoughtful design extends to the inclusion of battery test modes for 5V, 9V, and 12V batteries, with the multimeter light changing colors to indicate voltage levels. The audio and visual alarm, LCD backlit screen, and flashlight enhance usability in various environments. Safety is paramount, with the multimeter meeting overvoltage Category 3 600V safety standards. The double ceramic fuse provides anti-burn protection against overloading, and the silicone cover shields the multimeter from damage, ensuring durability. Whether you're a DIYer or hobbyist, the AstroAI Multimeter Tester is your go-to tool for safe and accurate troubleshooting. With the added assurance of Amazon's excellent delivery and lifetime technical support, this multimeter stands as a reliable companion for all your electrical endeavors. Subscribe now for expert insights and stay ahead in electronics. Number 2 in our top today is the VENLAB Digital Multimeter. The VENLAB Digital Multimeter, exemplifying versatility and safety assurance, stands out as an exceptional tool for a myriad of applications. This digital multimeter seamlessly and quickly measures AC/DC current and voltage, frequency, battery status, resistance, continuity, diode functionality, and even temperature, catering to a wide range of household and industrial needs. Safety is paramount, evident in the Cat 3 600V rating, CE and RoHS certifications, and thoughtful features like double fuses for anti-burning and overload protection. The NCV function and silicone cover provide additional layers of protection against electric shocks, ensuring user safety in various testing environments. Ease of use is a defining feature, with the VM500A offering a plethora of functions including data hold, hanging magnet, rubber sleeve support stand, continuity buzzer, and auto power off. The backlight LCD display enhances readability in low-light conditions, adding to the user-friendly design. Portability is key, making it suitable for on-the-go use in household outlets, fuses, batteries, automotive circuit troubleshooting, and electronics testing in cars. The compact size and included accessories such as multimeter, test leads, thermocouple, batteries, fuse, and user manual contribute to its convenience and versatility. VENLAB goes beyond by providing a lifetime after-sales service and technical support, showcasing a commitment to customer satisfaction. With its robust features and comprehensive customer care, the VENLAB digital multimeter is an indispensable companion for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, ensuring accuracy and safety in every measurement. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the AstroAI digital multimeter. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 is a versatile and thoughtfully designed tool that excels in accuracy and safety, making it an ideal companion for various occasions. This digital multimeter boasts an impressive array of features, accurately measuring AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, continuity, and temperature. Its professional-grade capabilities, including auto-ranging and true RMS for both AC current and voltage, elevate its status as a reliable partner for troubleshooting automotive and household electrical issues. The thoughtful design elements enhance the user experience, with features like data hold, a large LCD backlit screen, auto shut-off, a hanging magnet, and a kickstand, streamlining the measurement process. These attributes contribute to the ease of use and efficiency in various scenarios. Safety is a top priority, demonstrated by the double ceramic fuse for anti-burn protection and safeguarding against overloading. The F400MA/600V and F10A/600V explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes add an extra layer of security, ensuring the multimeter's reliability in diverse electrical environments. The AstroAI TRMS 6000 is not just a multimeter, it's a golden partner for those seeking precise and secure electrical measurements. With the added convenience of Amazon's superior delivery and lifetime technical support, this multimeter stands as a testament to both functionality and customer care, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In summary, the Klein Tools AstroAI Multimeter Tester, VENLAB, and AstroAI TRMS 6000 stand out for precision, safety, versatility, and thoughtful design. Select your perfect fit, share your opinions, hit the like button, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Join the conversation.